In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the alignment of text on Wix Studio. This skill is particularly crucial for those of us passionate about website design. Proper text alignment not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also contributes to a more professional look and easy readability. Whether you want your text left aligned, centered, or right aligned, getting this right will make a significant difference in your layout. So, let's dive right in and get started. The process is really quite simple. First, you'll need to click on the text element that you wish to edit. By selecting your text, you open up a range of options and controls specific to that element, giving you the flexibility you need to modify it to your liking. Now, with your text selected, direct your attention to the inspector bar on the right-hand side of your Wix Studio interface. This is where you'll find all the customization options you need for the text you've selected. Look carefully for the section labeled Text in the inspector bar. Once you've found it, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several text customization features, but for today, our focus is on the section within that drop-down called Alignment. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to aligning your text. Under Alignment, you'll see three options available to you: Left Align, Center Align, and Right Align. Selecting any of these options will immediately change how your text is displayed on the page. For instance, clicking on the Left Align option will anchor your text to the left side of the text box, making it flush with the left margin. This alignment is often the default setting and works well for many types of content. Choosing Center Align will symmetrically position your text within the text box. This can give a balanced appearance that is especially useful for headings or emphasis. Finally, Right Align moves your text to the right side, which might be desirable in certain design contexts, like guiding the reader's eye toward an image or graphic on the page. As you adjust the alignment, you'll notice the text shifting in real time, offering you immediate feedback on what looks best. This live preview is invaluable for fine-tuning your website's appearance. You'll want to select an alignment that not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also fits well within the overall structure and design theme of your website. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted the text alignment on your Wix Studio website. With this knowledge in hand, you can confidently make well-informed design choices for your site's text elements that enhance readability and the overall user experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can proceed with designing your website like a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!